Yeah, you come out to the bush, you know, you want a bit of peace and quiet, and then all of a sudden, oh, jeepers, you get these bloody fool driverlists come through. Oh, what a wrong nut. I'll get his number plate. Alright, no, couldn't get it. Hey, black dog, hey, how you going? So yeah, we got some dude in a red truck doing some fool driving. Just ripping up the car park. Whoa, yeah. Ah, hang on. Oh, that's heavy. There you go. Yeah, go through that fireplace. It's cold. Oh, mate. It's the thing you see out in the middle of the bush. We're going to get... Oh, yep, we're going. Chase a black dog. Yeah, that's right. Rip up the car park. Yeah, go on. Everybody else does. With a big high beam light. Oh, no. All right. Uru, peace, love, and hey, it's all good fun, eh? Enjoy. Uru.